Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here is the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus app limited edition. Okay, so this is another co-branded smartphone from Xiaomi, Redmi, and this time work with a very fashion brand app by Bathroom app. So this is very special edition smartphone, and I really like the design, and also I really like the app brand. So as we can see from the books, this time they use a Campo flag design books, and also the element from app, the classical icon, and also the Redmi logo, and also the Redmi model. So this time we have the 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. So this is the special. This is a special edition. It's same specification like the normal Redmi Note 13 Pro, but compared to the normal one, this one have a very attractive design, and I'm so excited to show it because when we open the books, the whole smartphone is also use the app design, the Campo flag design, very attractive and unique. So next, okay, let's unbox it, and I will talk on the specification and appearance about this smartphone this time. So first about the books. Okay, let's check around. App limited edition Redmi Note 13 Pro, somewhere in the app universe. Okay, so this is the sign, also somewhere in the app universe. The whole box was this get the element from app, and also here we can find the basic information about this device. Fashion edition, also the Dolby Vision Atmos, high-res audio, varies and capable both. Okay, so next, okay, I'm going to open it and check what this phone looks like. So okay, after we open it, okay, we get another box. Whoa, app Redmi co-branded edition. Two logos, somewhere in the app universe, a sign from app by a Bathroom app. Whoa, so this, I think this is the SIM card ejector. Whoa, they use the app icon, and also the Redmi Note 13 Pro app limited edition. So okay, first let's open this box and check the stuff inside this box. Oh, sticker, also the color user manual. Whoa, so nice. App, I really like the design. United. Also, they provide a customized case. App by Bathroom app. Camera on. Whoa, and even in the inside of the case, they use the very soft material, and also they have lines of camouflage. And here they have a sling, so it's very nice. You can use the hook or buckle to hang it to the other things, to other object. Very nice. Yes, this is the case, and use the menu and the stickers provide. And let's put it aside, and okay, also let me show you the customized. Whoa, customized SIM card ejector. Whoa, very nice. Yeah, destruction. So it's very nice, customized SIM card ejector. Very nice, good quality. a special shape, and it's much heavy compared to the normal SIM card ejector. Pretty cool. So okay, I have this box, stuff, accessories, and the music menus in this box. Here I have the smartphone. Wow. Before we check the smartphone, let's see what they put under the smartphone. Wow, app. This is a Aape charger, dark green color. Wow, really nice. Also here, the dark green Aape color, classical colors are used. And the cable as well, customized cable. Wow, Type-C to USB-C. It's pretty cool. Wow. Okay, so this is the cable and this is the charger. So all the stuff we've seen are almost customized, from cable, charger, screen protector, box, SIM card ejector, user menu, sticker, case, everything. Very nice. I really like this customized edition from Xiaomi. Okay, put it aside. Next, let's go to the smartphone. Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus Special Edition. First, let's get it out from the screen protector. Whoa. Whoa, finally, smartphone is here. Wow, looks so nice. Really like it. So about the smartphone, here they use the 3D floating cave. So from different angle, you can find that the app looks like a cubic 3D appearance. And also the back panel combined two parts for the camera zoom, dark green, and here is the camouflage textures, and here the Redmi logo, and put 20 megapixel OIS specification, and also dual color LED light, and also here is the camera, also bumped up camera with circle edge, and also here is the third, it's just the black edge they used for the surrounded the third camera. Okay, nice. And also, besides the customized back panel, we can check the framework. It's all use the classical color from Aape, all body green. Even the buttons, all green. The deep customized. Very nice. And next, if I recap it, you can find that the wallpaper and the UI also customized for app. When we unlock it, both icons, the wallpapers, the home screen protector, screen paper also customized from Aape. So it's pretty nice and deep customized product from Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus and Aape. So about the appearance, let's continue to talk about the screen. They have a 6.67 inch second generation 1.5K all curved LED screen, and this is first time the curved screen used in the Redmi Note series. And for the bezel, it goes a very narrow bezel and head, especially for the chains, head and chains. For the chains, it's get 2.37 millimeters, so it's very narrow bezels. And if we look from this angle, in front is a fully screen design. And for the display resolution, this time for this 6.77 inch screens powered by 2712 by 1220 display resolution, and also the PPI reached to 446 and support 120 Hz refresh rate. Check from here, from the settings, from the screen. Yeah, here. Sorry, not here. Screen time. No. Also on the screen and sorry, display. And here you can check 60 and 120 Hz. And also it can get peak brightness 1800. So when you watch HDR content, the contrast between dark and bright is more intense, more attractive. And also it supports 1920 Hz high frequency PMW puzzle with modal brightness adjustment. So this is very nice for your eyes. Yeah, nice screen. Curved screen. And also besides the screen, we talk about the processor specification about this device here. And this time for the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus Aape edition, they have a 12GB RAM plus 6 retro extended RAM plus 512GB ROM. It's an octa-core processor, maximum 2.8 GHz. They use the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra mobile chips, and the 4nm produced in Norwich for this 20 megapixel camera phone. And we also it's got a Antutu score 76,000 more than. So when you play big games, you can get a stable FPS. And also, I think the most important thing is about the camera, because this time they use the work with Samsung ISOCELL, and they customize this to 2000 megapixel HP3 Explorer main camera. It have a 1.4 inch big sensor, and it support 2 megapixel pixel input. It support OIS, and it get better performance in dark environment and the sunshine environment, and also have a 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro lens. So these can meet different needs from you in different circumstances. And also about the battery, this time it's have a 5000 big battery, and it supports 120 watt fast charging. It's just one battery cell, and also it's powered managed by the Xiaomi own developed P1 processor, battery chips. Yeah, very nice. 90 minutes you can get 1 to 100%. You can check the battery here. The battery chips is developed by Xiaomi. 5 minutes get 34% charging. So about this device, this is the main specification, but also it have other major features like the IP68 rating, waterproof and dustproof, and also the Victor screen they used. Normally the Victor's glass is used for high end, but for this middle end product they also use the high end special flagship glass. So this is also pretty cool. Yeah, so this is about today's very quick unbox video about this device from Redmi, and I will have a very simple camera test about this device. So here, let's get okay, this box here, and then let's go to the camera to test it for a quick test. So first is the normal wide angle, 2 times, 4 times, good quality, and also it have a support 10 times zoom. Also the front camera. Yeah, so this is pretty nice smartphone from Redmi. I think this phone can be compared with the high-end product in the market. So what do you think of such co-branded smartphone from Redmi? Make comment and let me know your thought. Thanks for watching. Just stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadget from here. Bye bye.